you sure?
Look,
No.
no, she was gonna put them individually. That's what
No.
you
No,
want.
you're not gonna throw that up.
No,
That's our
no.
food in the computer room.
No, this is not decorative.
I think she's being polite.
Okay.
Well, you should start to look before you say that.
Yeah.
Have you seen how she looked at you? You wanted to keep it in there.
I didn't see you.
Oh,
I did not.
yeah.
I have more over there.
Yeah.
To get the ones off his face.
It is very cute. Wow.
Easy interest now. All right, okay, I get it, I get it.
Who suffered?
Now let me open.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I want to take pictures too this little baby.
It's a real operation, and it's such under pressure, man. Thank you. See?
Go get
Kenji.
from. Oh, and then you're gonna be too much. I do. This is crab.
Good job. Good job. Good job. It's what?
Yes.
Kenji. Kenji. No, not with that.
So,
Wow.
It's
you
rough.
label this
Rough,
instead,
it's a clean.
so to make sure that.
Oh, I thought it was paper towel.
Because Michael will eat it, right?
Oh, they got it in the daycare. Oh, you did tell me that. And?
Hey.
Is he doing well?
No, it's a male doing it.
So French or English?
It's mostly French, but they do some English.
Okay, so he's learning French.
Oh.
Oh, whatever. He knows.
Anything right now,
He's
yeah.
exposed to the language. So no, he will end up learning. Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool. Cool.
You don't want it. You don't like this photo.
Right.
Boy, sad little baby.
That's my bag.
No, no. What?